Welcome to Wild Things, where the wild does exactly what it wants. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our most extraordinary Cape Buffalo sightings. To begin, we find a buffalo cow in deep trouble. She's been separated from her herd by a pack of African wild dogs. As you can see, she has a huge hernia hanging from her belly. As is typical with wild dogs, they're gnawing at the rump of their prey, trying to weaken it through blood loss. But when one starts pulling at the hernia, things take a ghastly turn. It's fair to say that the buffalo is probably in a deep state of shock. Mortally wounded, it's just a matter of time until it comes crashing to the ground.
Okay, Sebastian?
Did he hit it?
He did. Oh, yeah. Did he put a dent in it?
No.
No. Okay.
It's a booba.
Oh,
So
that
he's-
poor thing.
I'm just saying that would be a pretty cute scar to have.
It's going to fall down now. Yeah, the legs are gone now.
So much from his friends.
In our next clip, a sick young buffalo rises as an unexpected attacker advances. For reasons unknown, a female elephant charges into view. Then, in a display of brute strength, it knocks the buffalo to the ground and proceeds to trample and gore its victim relentlessly. There's no way the buffalo would survive such an onslaught. As to why it attacked, we can only assume it was extremely stressed, as this is not typical elephant behavior. In the following sighting, a pride of lions has encircled a large lizard, known as a water monitor. For the cubs, it's an irresistible plaything. However, a nearby buffalo seems angered by their play and moves in to put an end to playtime. Flinging the cub effortlessly, this is more of a show of strength against a mortal enemy than anything else. Thankfully, the cub seems unharmed by the attack and runs back to mom for comfort.
Je hebt dit gekregen en gegooid.
Dat is op video. In het quicksnip video.
Shit, ons het dit nog nooit gezien, nie? Huh?
As you'll see in our next video, it's not only cubs that need to look out when buffalo get angry. Two male lions are trying to pull down an enraged bull, but he's certainly not making it easy for them. Old buffalo bulls are notoriously belligerent, and this one is no exception. As the drama drags on, the combatants get even closer to the tourists' cars. The bull is getting weaker by the minute. It'll take a miracle to save him now. And that is exactly what happens when the bull accidentally punctures a tire, with the resulting whoosh of air spooking the lions and giving the bull a much-needed reprieve. Up next, another buffalo doing its best to evade a pride of lions. Once again, the action gets closer and closer to the spectators in their vehicles. And once again, the buffalo bashes into one of the vehicles. And once again, this gives the bull the break it needs to escape. We hope this isn't a new learned behavior doing the rounds. Next clip, a crocodile has latched onto the snout of a buffalo. Although the croc is massive, the powerful buffalo is not about to go down without a fight. Bellowing in pain, the buff gradually pulls the croc out of the water. Thankfully, the croc loses its grip and the buff gets to live another day. That said, quite why they feel the need to hang around for a closer look is anyone's guess. In the following sighting, wild dogs sow panic in a large herd of buffaloes. By doing so, they hope to identify any sick or injured animals in their ranks. Eventually, they isolate a cow and begin tearing at her flesh to weaken her. Other members of the herd try to intervene, but the dogs keep them at bay while others continue the attack. Note how the dogs stay clear of her horns and target the delicate skin at the rear. With so many dogs surrounding her, the cow's chances of survival are fading by the moment. Eventually, abandoned by her herd, she falls and the pack settles in for a massive feast.
A wild dog pack just killed an adult buffalo. Unbelievable.
Up next, another fight for survival, but this time, a mother buffalo tries desperately to defend her calf from a pride of lions. While she chases one off, another lion rushes in. Mom is quick to return and sees off the lion, at least for now. But as we see, this lioness is determined, even in the face of the mother's stern defense. As other lions arrive, it becomes apparent that the calf is injured. Things are not looking good for the calf. Then some of the lions chase the mother away, giving a young male the chance to rush in and finish off the calf. Now, Mom needs to save herself before she too lands up on the menu. In the next video, a seemingly abandoned buffalo calf bellows for its mother. However, its calls have attracted the wrong kind of attention, a young male lion. Just when it seems the calf is about to be taken, Mom storms onto the scene, chasing the lion away. That was way too close for comfort. In our final clip, another lion and buffalo interaction. As the lion watches, it notices that a calf is lagging behind, its leg injured. It's painful to watch as the little one struggles to keep up with the herd. But in nature, one creature's misfortune often presents an opportunity for another. Mercifully, death comes quickly.
Stop net hier, so stop net hier. Stop net hier. Kijk hoe ze doen. Hier komt ze. Zonder van, komt ze. Ja. Oh, sorry.
And that's Wild Tings. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll bring you more amazing wildlife sightings soon. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more Wild Tings, where nature does what it wants.